Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be painting this mandala on a hexagon shaped canvas, stretched canvas, and I am already covered in paint because I have been battling to get this black base coat down. Anyway, let's just see what happens. The paint that I'm using today is this Deco Art Crafters acrylic. I'm using it straight out of the bottle, not doing anything with it. And that's it. Let's get started. I'm battling because the middle is sinking. Wondering what I can put under there. Hold on, let me figure out what's this width that I can put under here to stop that from happening. Okay, I found something. Alright, let's just get started. So, I still have flu, would you believe it? So I'm not going to show myself on camera because I don't look good, I don't feel good. So, but, oh goodness, I got that all wrong. We're off to a good start. Anyway, let's see if I can get it. So, for those of you who have ever wondered why Shana doesn't put music in her videos, oh, good grief. So, I'm not very tech savvy at all, you know. If somebody shows me how to do something, well then that's fine, okay? You show me once, show me twice maybe how to do a thing, and that's it, you know, then I can do it. But I don't just know things. I mean, no, I don't. So what I do is I watch YouTube videos a lot to learn how to do stuff. So when I decided to open this channel, of course, I watched YouTube videos on how to open your channel, how to open an account, I guess, or start the channel off, and how to record the videos and how to edit the videos. And I watched all these videos, hundreds of them, before I did anything. And so there was a lot of videos about editing softwares and which ones to use. And so I'm like, well, because I'm just starting out, I don't want to pay for anything just yet. I mean, I don't want to sound like a cheapskate, but I mean, yeah, I'm not earning any money off of YouTube yet, so I don't want to be spending money on editing software. So I want something that's free. So I found one in the YouTube videos I was watching that is free. So I thought, well, okay, I'll try that one out. And then, of course, I watched YouTube videos on how to work this software. How, you know, how to do stuff in it. And it looked simple enough. But the YouTube videos I watched on how to work this the software, their screen looks different to mine, which means I have like a different version of it that I'm working on. So when they say click here, where's here? I don't have that. And it's so annoying because I want to put music on. I don't want to sit here and, you know, and have you listen to me breathing for a half an hour. I mean, who wants to listen to that? But I just can't figure out how to get music onto my videos because I can't find the audio button to push or something, you know. So, you know what? I'll figure it out. But in the meantime, please enjoy listening to me breathe. Like, I mean, look at that. They all lined up perfectly. That was a disaster. But these are pretty much all on the lines where they're supposed to be. So, don't worry. It will all work out. Now, yeah, we're going to give it a go. Right, I'm going to try and do swooshes now, but please keep in mind I have not done a swoosh in over 2 years. I don't know, but we're going to give it a go. So, so in between and swoosh. That's okay, I guess. And in between and swoosh. Oh, goodness, that one is not as good. Never mind. And swoosh. It's okay. And swoosh. Just put 2 dots. I am fixing this one up here. So I'm just taking black paint on a thin dotting tool and just fixing it. That's it, fixed. Well, this is what it looks like wet. It's not perfect, it's far from perfect, but it doesn't look too bad. I mean, you know, and that's why I said if it's not, I mean, if it doesn't come out exactly how you envisioned it, just keep going, because mandalas are very forgiving, really, because even when your lines don't line up and your dots don't line up, and if you do swooshes like me, which is just sad, at the end, look, I mean, what's wrong with that? If you look at it from a distance, it looks absolutely fine. So yeah, so there we go. We will practice the swooshes, we will get better. But yeah, thank you for joining me on this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.